Chica, carry them and put it in. Got them choking with. Carry the Canada boss. Make them shake it fast. I'm only going up and sing. Got the girls going up and sing. Time to mash up the party. Time to turn the club. Make them shake to the ground. Make them man them big one. I am the boss, I never boss. You are it. From the street. Try them to put it on. If you want to get it in, let's go. Anyway, come on. That's it. Let people come on. I'm not trying. Let people come on. I'm not trying. If I can grow, if I can run, if I can fly, if I can dream, for those who don't know me, I'm Mr. Bagnall, aka the Carnival Boss. And tonight, we're having a lovely peace concert. And I think it's a good thing we're doing right now. But the problem with saying this, we wait too late to start to pull up everything. Peace concert, talk out, stop the crime. All these things should have happened a long time. But I feel a lot of people don't talk out because they don't feel safe. When we tell you something, you tell this person, you know, they never go to the youth. When we tell the police something, they come back out and tell people. You know, so I think the first place to start with the crime is with the officers. And that's me. When nobody hold that against me, why? But that's just me. You know? Because if I see something and you want me to say, if I don't trust you, I can't say it. And that's how I feel. You know? It was on the television Monday and I wanted to say all of this. But I was just holding back. You know, so I think we should start with there. We got to build trust. And officers, just how you want us to respect you and talk to you, I feel you should do the same. I feel like some of the officers that handle people in such a way that we don't want nothing to do with you guys. I'm not talking about the officers, okay? You know, I'm just helping all of us to build and stop the crime, because we having a peace concert and me coming up here and saying stop the crime. Nobody listening to me. For all them is big man and big woman doing whatever they want, you know? So I'm gonna talk to what think and listen to me. Policeman them is my friend. So let me start there. So once we build the trust there, me, everybody is going to be able to talk to you, tell you, man, if see somebody going in, share the house or whatever, you know? And we go, cut down the crime, cut down the thieving. Because I don't like all realize, The training man, them laughing, you know. Can't training man don't kill training man. The training man, them kill the rat and sell us. You know? Only we, the fish are killing themselves. The Spanish man, them, and Spanish woman, they killing themselves. You know? So we gotta watch them, realize what they're doing, realize how they work together. And then we got to work together. We got to do a lot of grudgery and all that type of thing. I'm talking all to that are making sense. Alright. But we gonna continue. I am the boss, let's go. I am the boss. Are you ready to go on the road? Let me continue talking. Because I realize the Facebook thing going strong and then I haven't stopped next week. So let me go on the road. If you can't wait for carnival, you can't wait for cultural, you can't wait for the community festival, let's go on the road. You see me? Let's go. Over there. This tune called We Don't Want No War. No war at all. I have never had to deal with any family member getting shot from gang violence, so I don't know how it feels. So all who know how it feels, let me see hand in here please. All who know how it feels to lose a family member by war, gang violence, robbery, anything, let me see your hand. Say after me. Sing it. Yeah, tell me what they're fighting for. Put up your hand now, raise up your. Let me see the hand, them who don't see the hands. And I say, come like I love what's going on. If you're fed up and the gang thing and the war thing, you know what I'm going to get this story. Put up on your hand now, raise up on you. Let me see the hand them who don't want no one. Put up on you, raise up on you. Tell me what the hell you're fighting for. Put up on you, raise up on you. Let me see the hand them who don't want no one. Put up on you, raise up on you. So tell me what the hell you're fighting for. This is a lovely song for the war. Listen it. I said we love to see every way. Each and every one with a smiling face. Why the hell am I mashing up the human race? Put a fire on and then we live up the place. Let's come together and hold up the faith. Let's appreciate love, stop appreciate. And if you know you're clean and you're thinking, oh, see your hand one more time. Go back and let's go. Put a fire, show me fire. So let me see me and the other one. Put a fire, raise a fire. Put on the body, head up. So I said put a fire. Oh, you know, Mr. PM, and then you have to lovely. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out for me! Say I'm in love with you every way. Each and every one with a smiling face. Why the hell they acting up the human way? Put the lion on and let we hold up the faith. Let's us come together and let's dance with love. Let's appreciate love. And let's appreciate. We want to be here to somebody put the call on 60. We go in the put up. Let's put up fire. Let's up fire. Let me see me hand them. Don't want no one. Put up fire. Let me see you. Tell me what the hell I'm fighting for. Let's put up fire. Show me fire. Let me see. And go. And go. We are never going to go. Thank you for having me.
No.